singing all the way. Colors bright and sky so blue. Autumn's here for me and you. Parrots walk and bluebirds fly. Little robins flap so high. Cardinals sing, their voices sweet, bringing rhythm to our beat. Smiling into autumn, hey, birds are singing all the way. Colors bright and sky so blue. Autumn's here for me and you. Leaves are golden, red and brown. Birdies fly from town to town. With a flap and with a cheer, they sing for autumn loud and clear. Smiling into autumn, hey, birds are singing all the way. Colors bright and sky so blue. Autumn's here for me and you. Tweet, 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 sing along. Dancing birds, they know the song. Flap, 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 1, 2, 3. Autumn's here for you and me. All the kids now clap and sway. Feel the beat and shout hooray. Birds are singing loud and strong. Join them in their autumn song. Smiling into autumn, hey, birds are singing all the way. Colors bright and sky so blue. Autumn's here for me and you. Yeah, yeah, autumn's here. Birds and colors everywhere.